karma is a restaurant, where we do not need to order. We get what we cooked. Just as a calf finds its mother in a crowd of thousands of cows, similarly, karma finds its way among millions of people. If you think positively towards everyone, then you are going to get the same back. Karma moves in two directions. If we work ethically, then the seeds we sow will result in a good way. If we do non-virtuous work, the consequences have to be suffered. There is a natural law of karma. Those who hurt others will eventually break up and become lonely. If someone has hurt you, you cannot harm him, because you will also suffer as they will. Karma finally comes to the fore. You will reap as you sow. Sooner or later, the universe will serve you what you deserve. Your karma should be good, and everything else will be good. Your good deeds will always triumph over your bad luck. Everyone has the freedom to do whatever he wants, but the consequences of those actions are not in his hands. If you do something good for the world, you will get something good from the world over time. This is karma.